Good day, Candon National High School. Today, we will be informing you the proper use of internet. So ano, tara? So bakit nga ba kailangan nating malaman ang tamang paggamit ng internet?
Kailangan nating malaman ang tamang paggamit ng internet upang tayo maging ligtas.
Dahil ligtas ang may alam. Ito ang kailangan nating gawin upang tayo maging ligtas sa paggamit ng internet.
Una, be respectful and polite.
Number 2, use clear and concise language.
Number 3, respect privacy.
Number 4, think before you post.
Number 5, be creative.
Number 6, use appropriate.
Number 7, keep messages.
Use emoji and humor appropriately.
Number 9, respect others' time.
And lastly, forgive mistakes. First, use the internet positively. Be kind, social, creative, and inspire, and have fun online.
Number 2, secure your privacy settings. Make sure your privacy settings on social media and devices are as secure as possible to protect your personal information.
Reach out for help. If you are someone you know experiences negativity or harm online, contact a trusted adult or report offensive accounts.
Number 4, use strong password and multi-factor authentication. Protect your accounts by choosing strong password and enabling two-factor authentication where possible.
Yan ang ating dapat gawin upang tayo'y maging ligtas sa paggamit ng internet.
So guys,
ngayon, pag-uusapan naman natin ang mga hindi dapat gawin sa internet. So ano, tara?
una, don't use all caps.
Number 2, don't flame or stroll.
Number 3, don't spam.
Number 4, don't provide private messages without permission. Bawal yan.
Number 5, don't post abusive content.
Number 6, don't overuse emoji or slang.
Number 7, don't hijack threads.
Number 8, bawal mag-assume.
Number 9, don't ignore replies.
And lastly, don't plagiarize. Baka makasuhan ka.
Don'ts in using the internet. Don't share personal information such as your address, phone number, school name, or family details with strangers or publicly on social media. This can lead to identity theft, cyberbullying, or targeted attacks.
Number 2, don't download violent or software from or untrusted subsites because they may contain malware like virus, spyware, or ransomware that can harm your device or steal your data.
Tandaan, yan dapat ang mga hindi dapat gawin sa internet. So guys,
Alam na natin ang mga hindi dapat at dapat gawin sa internet. So yan lamang. Bye!